Hi, parents. We are entering the last week of school coming up. It's going to be May 18th, 19th, and 20th will be the last three instructional days. Kids are still to check in on the 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st. So make sure that they are not turning in their Chromebook early. The earliest they can turn it in would be the 21st because those are check-in days. Um, when you're looking at the check-in days, they're going to do that still through Schoology, the same thing that they're used to. So they're going to have, instead of a Friday, May 15th check-in, it's going to be a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, and a Thursday. Once they do their check-in on Thursday, they would be done with their schooling for the year if they finished their Google Classroom slides as well. In our assignment tab, we're going to have 3 days of work for them. If they want to finish all of the work in one day, that is up to them. It is a go at your own pace. So if you want them to do it over 3 days, it's all going to be available on the 18th. It is not due until the 21st, which is that Thursday. If I'm going to my classroom, when the kids enter into their classroom, they go to their waffle up here or their Google Apps, and they would click on Classroom, and it would take them to whatever teacher they're with. So Mr. LeBlanc's class, if they were in Mrs. Perpich, they would see the exact same thing. They click into the classroom, and if they go up to classwork up here, you can see that I have 3 days built in. This is the Monday, May 18th, Tuesday, May 19th, and Wednesday, May 20th. These are all going to be available May 18th at 6 a.m. Like I said, it's up to you if they want to do all 3 in one day. That is totally fine. So clicking into that there, I'm going to show you kind of what the day 1 looks like. So they'd click into the slide. They are to edit in this slide the information that they have. So some of this is just a do and send a picture. So going down here, these are the things that they are going to need for this field day, athletic day. Here's a little video and then a water break. So just enjoy doing these fun activities that usually we would get to do at school on our last week, but with the pandemic going on, we had to kind of change things up. So we're still providing the field day. There are all of the specials and the 3rd grade is all combined into this slide. Our slides are kind of towards the bottom, like field day reading. There's an instructional video. If they click on that, they can play it. After doing the video, like for this one right here, it was build a fort, then read in it with a flashlight for 15 minutes. They can insert their picture right here. To insert a picture, as shown in the video, they go to Insert, they go to Image, and then they can just go to their camera, take a picture of their fort with their Chromebook. Let's see. Any undone work. So if they have any missing work that hasn't been completed, if they click on this Crosby Arrington button up here, on the right-hand side of this screen, it'll say, instead of upcoming, it'll say overdue. If it says overdue, it's unfinished work. Please let me know, or Mrs. Perpich, Mrs. Berg know, if you have any questions with any of the things that were described in this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.